What is going on, my boo? It is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, honey, we are going to be busting it up, playing in some makeup. I did this cute little spring kind of vibe because I wanted to touch into spring, but not too much, you know. But you know, it's March, we getting close, so I hope you guys enjoyed this look, honey. And without further ado, we are going to be jumping right into it. Since I have somewhere to go, I said, why not jump on camera and talk to my boos? Because boos, listen, it is really hard to post every single day, and I had tried to make me a real good plan. I tried to stick to it. I was trying to stick to every day. It's hard every day, but I know for a fact y'all gonna see me every week, okay? Like, period, okay? Because I love you. As y'all can see, I am moisturizing my face. This is actually what I've been using for my face to moisturize my face. I've been using this right here, and I just moisturize this in my face real good. Not really, not a lot, not too much, but it's just been crazy. Yeah, we gonna jump on foundation first because I'm just trying to get into it, okay? But yeah, I have not been doing nothing at all. I just really been chilling. I just really been working like crazy, like really working like crazy. There's so many new looks that I just been seeing lately, and I just been loving the looks. And I just feel like lately, like the makeup vibe has definitely been given like this natural clean girl with a little shimmer, little cat eye, little wing, you know. It's just really been given really simple. And I don't know, but for some reason lately I just been in that vibe. And I think like when you work and stuff like that, you can't always get real dramatic with your, you know, your looks and stuff like that. And I am gonna start doing some looks anyway, because on some real stuff I love doing like different looks, and I just love challenging myself with makeup. So I'm definitely about to get back in that bag, so it really doesn't matter. But I was just like looking at like Versace, Moschino, D Square, just all of them. I was just like, okay, I see that it's like giving very like, you know, I don't have to do too much. Like, I'm really like living my life. I'm really just living my life. Like, that's what it's giving. Like, I'm really loving that look, like, for real. I also like that it wasn't giving like too much. It was giving just very simple. I'm liking simple. You know, because even though I do like dress, like, you know, dress different. I've always dressed different. I've always had like my own little kind of like style. But at the same time, I feel like simple far as makeup will always kind of like be something that I love to do, only because it's like, to me, less will always be more. And even though it probably doesn't seem that way, like, because of the way I be dressing and the way I've always dressed, right? Like, girl. But I mean, now as I look, I was just ahead of the time. That's how I just feel. But yeah, it was given very simple, very sophisticated. And I really am proud of all the fashion shows that I've seen. Like, people were really doing their big one. It just gives you so much inspiration. I don't know, since I've been doing it ever since I was like a little girl. I used to like ask my grandma to turn on, like back in the day, used to be like a Vogue channel. It was like where the shows, you could kind of like see some of the shows. And even though it was like late, you kind of could still see the shows. And my grandma used to put it on the TV for me so I could watch. I used to be so hype. And now just the thing, and that just came to my mind because I always used to ask my grandma to like get me teen magazines and subscriptions and stuff like that. I mean, I'm gonna tell y'all something, like, even though I do come from the hood or whatever, like, I'm not gonna sit up here and try to say like, oh, no, like, I really come from the hood. But I mean, my grandma always made me feel like I wasn't I wasn't from here. You know what, I was raised right. That's what I'll say. Look, I got a lot of ass whoopers, and look at me now. Mind you, my grandma never hit me. All right, she hit me once, but she never really beat me. Like, my mom used to kick my ass though. She used to go, whoof. Child, me and Archie, we used to get, that's another story for another day. Anyway, but my grandma, I remember one time, it was like Oh, it's story time. I'll give y'all story time why I get these eyes together, because they a little oily. But I remember one time, me and my brother, whatever. First of all, 4th of July, like where I'm from, we all go to the art museum. And even, we don't go always, some of us, we will walk all the way into the art museum. You know, especially if you had, like, if it was a good day and you got there a little early, you would walk all the way down and be able to, like, see the people that perform. Sometimes you would just stand on the, it was like this bridge or whatever that we would be on. But we would see the fireworks, and the fireworks wouldn't come on, of course, like what, 12 o'clock. So one time my grandma had a nerve to tell me and Archie we gotta be home at 10 or 11. So we like, grandma, the things don't come on until 12. Like, the reason why we outside is to see the fireworks. Long as she said we could go, we be here at 10. Dead serious. Yes, grandma, we'll be here at 10. Child, we walked outside. We was like, I was like, Archie, I'm not gonna be here. Archie was like, neither am I. Where you want me at? Cause me and Archie, we had our own route, own friends. You dig me? And that 4th of July was lit. We did get back like 12:30, 12:45. We did come straight home after the fireworks though. We ain't drove. She was so mad at us. She kind of like popped us a little bit. You could tell she was just nervous. But shit, we was good in our hood. That's back in the day when my hood, we was good. I feel like we came up with like the craziness, but I just feel like when we was like 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, like that was like good times. I feel like once I started hitting high school, it was like shit started getting real. That just brought back a lot of memories. Child, because we used to have so much fun. God always made it. He always had me. That's what I'll say. He always had me. Through the situations. You dig? Like, you know. But yeah. But what's some real stuff, I ain't gonna lie though, I really did not know, like, yo, I really live in the hood until I realized as I got, you know, as you get older, you realize it. But my grandma, she instilled some goodness. Definitely did. Shout out to her. I turned out pretty good. I ain't turned out too bad. I ain't too cuckoo for Coco. It's like, no, I'm alright. I'm alright. I'm alright. I'm gonna take some Laura Mercier and just pat and pat in there. But yes, y'all, I had to tell y'all that story time because that was funny. I wasn't, you know what's so crazy? Like, I wasn't like that kid that didn't come home. Like, we usually came home on time. It was just like, grandma, come on. Like, it's the 4th of July. Like, you drawing. My grandma was the flyest thing on earth. I ain't gonna lie. I never seen nobody flyer than my grandma. I never seen no lady flyer than my grandma. And I ain't just saying that because she my grandma. And also, what was her name? She was from Ebony magazine. She used to go to all the fashion shows. She was the flyest lady, flyest black lady in the world. Oh my goodness. She used to have all, she had like over $2 billion pieces. I forgot her name. Ebony magazine. I forgot her name. Lord Jesus, please forgive me, because that was my African Black History Month. Well, I don't know her name, but I'm gonna find it for y'all. But yeah, she was that girl, okay? She was that girl. Yes, you gotta know your fashion stuff. You gotta know your fashion. When I get into fashion, well, I know a lot of things about fashion because I love fashion. But yes, you have to know your fashion history. You gotta know your fashion history. Let me just put this over my eye and get my eyes together real quick. And you see that you almost crease? I had to pan that out. Pan that out. Girl, absolutely not. Absolutely not, okay? But yeah, child. What else been going on? You know, business been good. It be a lot though. Business is a lot. Like, as long as I'm always running my business with integrity, you can never play me. But yes, y'all, business has definitely been doing good. I'm very grateful, whatever. I'm getting ready for my spring collection. I just think this just been a really focused season for me and just trying to do the best I can. Like lately, I haven't been able to push videos out every day. And usually I would just be so extra hard on myself. And I said, you know what, Stacy? You got 24 hours in a day. Do what you can. Do what you can. That's just what I've been doing. I just been doing what I can. You know what I'm saying? Because you can get caught in like this rut. And it's like, what is the purpose of the rut? You know, like if I can't get it done, I can't get it done. As long as I'm being productive in whatever I'm doing, I feel like that matters. You feel what I'm saying? Child, I'm very hard on myself. Always been very hard on myself. Sometimes I feel like I like to be hard on myself because it keeps me very disciplined on things that I need to do. Like I'm not just a person that can sit around. Like I remember when I had my first daughter, the first day after I had her, I laid down, but I was in so much pain. I'm like, help. She was like, get up. And when I got up, I was like, oh, that pain hurts too much. I'm not laying in that bed. Like I did not lay in that bed until it was time for me to go to bed. Real rap. Like, I actually jumped into, what is this? This is the Stacey Marie palette, and I'm actually using grape, this right here, blackberry, and a little bit of this black. I don't know, because since, you know what I'm saying, it's about to be spring, I said, let's, you know, let's give a little color, a little color. I'm gonna jump into this Starlight, this right here too, and I'm gonna just put this on my brow bone. It just looks so pretty. I just want to try it. Child, I'm gonna say this, I love me some Stacey Marie palettes. Like, give me the pigment, I'm hooked on it. I haven't did like my little, I used to do like my fave cut creases. I haven't did that in a minute. I'm gonna see if I can do that real quick. That's one thing I'm gonna do though. I'm gonna cut me a crease. That's what we gonna do. We always gonna cut a crease. All right, so I'm gonna just take this sand right here, and I'm gonna just tap this right. So I'm just really into something like, you know, not really spring, but just getting ready, just getting prepared. You know what I mean? Doing a little spring cleaning, bringing out the little old spring colors, you know? And I am gonna put a little bit of Bear right here, this right here. Cause I actually touched in it my other eye, so I just said, Mother, just touch it again. And then I'm gonna take this sand and just pat it over. I just need to bring some of that purple back in. Alright, now I'm going to do a real quick wing. And I'm not going to do like a full wing. I just want to do like a half. But we're not going to do a full wing. We're just going to do it like this, just half. Child, did you see that? All right, let me hurry up because this battery is definitely about to die. So I'm gonna do my lip. And if y'all tired of the black lip, just be tired of it for right now. I'm in this phase and I'm loving it. Yeah, I'm just loving this phase too. Like, I'm definitely gonna put on some lip. And I'm going to put some Mocha Mommy. I still love Mocha Mommy. Spring, summer, fall is Mocha Mommy. You feel me? So I've always loved Mocha Mommy. Alright, so now I'm gonna take some of this, some Charlotte Tilbury. So now, let me spray, cause this is giving, and I didn't even put lashes on. Right. This looks so pretty. Alright, my boo, so I am back or whatever because I needed to put my clothes on. So you see like where my eyes is creasing at? I just want to take some and just cover that up right there. You see what I'm saying? I don't know, but because I have, you know, a lot of lid, my eyes are creased. they don't crease. So just to set those eyes. And now we're gonna put these lashes on. That is definitely given. I didn't put no highlight on, so I'm gonna jump into this palette. This is the Scepter palette, and I kind of wanna put on this what is it called, glaze, because I don't know, I just want to kind of like shine up, you know, like, ooh, I love the way that just did. Like, yeah, like, look at that. Okay. I'm gonna do a little bit of blush, because I didn't really put no blush on. So I'm gonna tap over there with some blush. That is like really giving. Alright, so now let me hold this because this gotta stay, okay? But yes, my boo, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, do not forget to smash that like button. Leave me a comment down below. Also, my boo, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, okay? So with that being said, I love you so, so much. Thank you so much for watching me and watching me grow. Don't forget to keep God first, and I'm gonna see you during my next video. Mwah. Peace.
Get it poppin', but these is in my business got me out, you choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. And your mom is killing, but I'm saying I keep it quiet. But I'm the lowest of the low.